the city. Remember you used to drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot of Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone.
Morning. Good morning. I hope you're great. Let me take you on to what I am going to do today. I just gave my pup a bath, and right now I want to prepare what she's going to eat because I want to go hiking today. So I don't know what to give her to eat. Hiking is something that I do a couple of times annually. I think last year I went like 3 times. This year, this is the first time I am going with the group. And as I'm going to say in my follow up yapping session, it was a spiritual experience for me. This was an incredibly hard hike for me, despite the fact that some of the attendees claimed that it was easy. The trail to the top of the mountain was quite steep and it was incredibly hard. The great thing about this particular mountain is the fact that I came with lovely views like this waterfall here, lots of rocks gushing out like spring water. The scenery was beautiful, it was quiet, and when we got to the top, it was a magical view of the Abuja city. I tried to get some videos just so I can show you guys how it looks. Climbing up was so painful, coming down as well was extra stressful, and at this point I was just thinking about my choices if it was the right thing for me to do. Hi guys, good morning. I am sure that you must have already seen the clips from me going hiking. It was a spiritual experience. Anytime I go hiking, it is always a spiritual experience because it is stressful, it is mentally tasking, both physically and mentally tasking. I don't go a lot, so I take like huge gaps. I think the last time I went hiking was sometime last year, and then I went again this year, the Saturday before I resumed work. And yeah, my pop Ari is here. I just wanted to like experience other environments apart from inside the house. I took her outside. I think I'm going to put clips here. We went outside, we encountered dogs, and she's getting her own life experiences, and I am getting mine. Okay, so I am getting prepared for a trip. I have to take a trip soon, and with trips, a lot of things you have to prepare. I already did laundry. I already have an idea of the clothes I want to pack. This hair looks so good here, right? But if you see what is going on here, I don't like how the hair sits, and I find that anytime I wear this hair is a wig actually, I have to wear scarves, even though it looks so cute right now. This is not how I want to look. Harry, what is it? I should take you back. Hmm? So as I was saying, this is not how I want to represent when I, go. So I got some things. I got hair. There's going to be like some parts I'll show you when I'm trying to make my hair. I want to make boho braids for the first time, you guys, and I think that's going to be actually so exciting. So yeah, basically, I want to get boho braids, and I'm not doing color one or color 1B. I'm going to surprise you with the color in this video or in this vlog. So I'm going to do a different color. I'm doing a different color definitely. I also got some skincare. You guys, skincare. Let's talk about skincare. Let's actually talk about it. Do you know that when you get inducted into purchasing skincare products, that first batch or that first set you buy, wonderful, especially if you're getting great results. I did get great results. I spent a ton of money, right? I think I don't go for the really high end stuff. I think I spent close to 100K purchasing my skincare products the first time. I got the Mandelic face wash from Dang. I got sunscreen. I got vitamin C serum. I got, what else did I get? I got the snail mucin from Dang. My skin was glowing. I was looking so beautiful. You guys, do you know at some point I was maintaining for a couple of months, and then money, you know how it is. So I started using either one product or two, and so when the last product I had finished, which was the snail mucin, I got this Nivea vitamin C body lotion, and I was like, you know what? It's vitamin C body lotion. It's supposed to do what the vitamin C serum is doing. Sorry, I keep looking here. I'm looking at what my pop is doing. I hope she's not doing anything crazy. Ari. So, anyways, so I got this Nivea vitamin C lotion. People said it was really good, and yeah, I was using it. I was like, okay, to replace the vitamin C serum. Nope, nope. So as the trip that I'm about to go for is coming up, I was like, I want to look my best self. I want to look my best self. And so I first of all bought the snail mucin. I recently got the vitamin C serum. I'm going to be showing you guys. And I have like a couple of leftovers from my sunscreen. So I have like leftover sunscreen, the gel sunscreen, and the lotion based sunscreen. So hopefully, even though I know that I look really cute here, there's a window here. I believe that um, I'm going to look way better before I go on this trip. And basically, yeah, I'm going to take you along packing. I do not like packing late. I'm going to be packing this weekend because next week I have a ton of classes to teach. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing in. It's just a short trip for like, I think 3-4 days. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing. I'm going to show you, yeah, just traveling. It may be a two-part vlog. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm currently in the office. Let me show you what my puppy is doing. She's just here making noise. You keep yawning, but see your food there. I'll take you outside though. A lot of students cancelled, so that's why I have like free time to film now. Just let this be the intro to the vlog, and yeah, come along with me on this trip. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Ah, for those who don't know, my braces are still here. Oh. And they look so cute. It is Sunday. Just a couple of days before I. You guys, this dog will not give me high blood pressure. This dog will not give me high blood pressure. Ari is the type of dog that I call like a Velcro baby Velcro dog. She wants to be where you are. She wants to be by your feet. Do you know, as I sat down, I did not know that her leg was probably under one of the like legs of the chair, and it probably touched her, and you heard the way she screamed. Anyway, she's in her crate crying now, but that is not going to stop me from doing the video that I want to do right now. Ari! A couple of cakes I really like. I love the cake I got for my birthday last year, which was cheesecake with like strawberry on top and the Biscoff biscuits under. And the next one, the other one I really like, is my tiramisu. I love tiramisu cake so much, and this particular brand is from the UK. A friend of mine just sent it to me from the UK. I just delivered, and guess what is better than one? Two. Guess what is better than two? Three. I have three. I can't explain how happy this makes me feel. I have three. The last time I think I got one or so, but I have three. Oh my god. between now and when I take my trip, I'm going to, work on my hair and all of that. In fact, this afternoon I'm going to the salon. I will be at the salon by 12 o'clock. But before then, let us open this up. I can't wait. I have a plate in front of me. Freezer. So this is how it comes in a plate like this. And all you have to do, because it's not refrigerated, it's like messy. So it's like a sponge cake. This is how it looks like. Okay, and I have my knife here. I'm going to put it in the freezer because you cannot just enjoy it. You can't enjoy it like this. It has to be in the freezer. A little bit iced out. This is, but let's see. You know what? I can't enjoy this. It has a little bit of alcohol in it. I can't enjoy it like this. I have to put this back in the freezer. I did been free. God, thank you for this. But yeah, I'm going to put this back in the freezer. But I couldn't just help but have a taste. Hey guys, so I am ready to go to the salon right now to get my hair done. I combed my hair out in a fro. I don't know if I should tie a scarf. I should just go out with the fro. So, a couple of months ago, I decided to give my hair a trim. I had been using heat on my hair, and so my ends were split. My hair wasn't growing. My hair was just a mess. And if you looked at my hair at that time, you would see like straight hairs. Meanwhile, it's meant to be like this. So I did like a trim. And so far, I'll tell you that the hair is actually flourishing. From what I can see now, I'm sure you can see it as well. So my hair is actually flourishing. This is enough gloss. I'm gonna put gloss. Okay. I like the hair like this. I think I'm going to carry it out like this. I'll definitely carry it out like this. Okay, now let me show you. I hope I'm not late. But let me show you guys the hair I am using to go to the salon. So I'm using this hair from Amigos. This is the hair that, let me see if I can focus. But yeah, this is the hair that they are going to use to do the boho part. And then I bought this hair from Lush. This is a color 30. I wanted to mix it up, but like, I don't think I would. This is closest to my skin. I want something really bright. What's this? Oh, I got perfume. This is the nylon. So I have the hairs in here. I also have this book, The Richest Man in Babylon, in case I'm bored. My phones. Hold on. Where's the other one? Okay. I'm using it to record on my phone. Some cash in my purse. So I'm carrying my purse. So I have my purse here. And my card, because I have to pay. And I might buy something there. I'm not sure. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's too much. Okay, so what else? I need my earpiece because They talk a lot. I think when I come back home, I'll do my laundry. Um, if it's not possible today, it's definitely going to be tomorrow. This week we are entering is going to be so packed and busy, and if there's something I don't like is feeling overwhelmed when I have a lot of stuff to do. So, yeah, let's go. See how serious my face is here, preparing to go and make my hair. This hair took me solid 7 hours to make. I didn't expect it. And that's why this vlog doesn't have any outro. So I'm going to see y'all in part 2, my Lagos trip.